Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.
Hey friends, my name is Miss Scribbles and class is in session. Hey guys, I am so excited you are here for class with Miss Scribbles. We're doing an elephant like you can see in the top left corner. So I'm going to show you step by step. So the first thing I want you to draw is a smiley face. It looks a little bit wonky. You see how the edges are pulled out just a tiny bit? That's actually the back foot of the elephant. Let's put up 2 lines to make his back leg, and we're just gonna take it all the way around like a backward C, all the way to the top. Good job, guys. Okay, let's draw his shoulder now, which will come up pretty similar to the last drawing line that we made. And this next one is a little weird, okay? You're gonna kind of draw a mountain, but it's gonna dip down right in the center. This is the top of the elephant's head. The next thing we're gonna do are the ears. I don't know if you guys know this, but an Asian elephant actually has smaller ears than an African elephant. So if you're wanting to do an Asian elephant, make those ears big, but not too big. We've got one on the left and one on the right. You guys are doing a really good job. Go back up to where you did the mountain with the dip in between it, and we're gonna pull that down and create a nose for this elephant. The length of the trunk is actually really important on an elephant. You'll know if you feel like it's too short or if you feel like it's too long. They do everything with their trunk, so this is a really important part of making an elephant look exactly like an elephant that you see. So we're gonna do a little mouth on the elephant, and all that is you're gonna come up from where the trunk is right under it and do that line right there. And that's gonna cover the mouth. Their mouth is actually underneath their trunk, which is super cool. They use their trunk, grab the banana, and then put it right in their mouth as if they're using a fork or a spoon. That trunk can do so much, guys. Okay, let's do a line down and another weird wonky smiley, and then go straight back up. That's gonna be his right foot. So I wanna tell you something about this next leg. I want you to do this next leg a little bit bigger than that leg you just did. This is because the elephant is actually walking towards us. Things closer to us are actually going to look bigger than the things farther away. So that front leg is a little bit bigger than the back ones, and that's because it's closer to us. So now we're gonna give that elephant a big belly. We know elephants have big bellies, guys. There's gonna be a lot of different details that we put on this elephant. I want you guys to feel freedom to add whatever you want. Elephants are wrinkly and they have a lot of scaly skin, and they have toenails, and they have a tail, and they have lines all over their body. So I want you to just really be creative. Design your elephant however you want. I did an eye on the elephant. It actually looks like a P. If you just turn that P right in, it will make an eye for your elephant. It's really simple. So let's add some detail, some lines on the trunk. I feel like that just gives it the extra bit, so that when someone's looking at it, they can say like, yes, I know exactly what that is. That's an elephant. Just some special lines that need to be added. We're gonna start with the ears, and we're gonna do just a little line to outline the outside of that ear. Great job, guys. All of these little lines are just to show that this elephant has a lot of thick skin. wow, this is really coming together. I hope your elephant looks exactly the way you want it to. If not, feel free to pause this video, start over, slow down, whatever you need. We are in no rush. Okay, that L that I just added to the back is actually the elephant's fourth leg and foot. You're doing an awesome job. I'm gonna add 3 little toes on each of the elephant feet. They kind of look like small rainbows added to the bottom of the elephant foot. Awesome work, guys. Let's add the final touch, an elephant tail. Make a skinny line right in the back, just like that, and add a little tuft of hair right at the bottom. He's looking so awesome, guys.
Friends, you did a great job. Let's add some color now.
is in session. Mrs. Scribbles. Mrs. Scribbles.